Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Outlook inbox looks like a digital jungle full of old messages you can't delete but don't want cluttering your main view, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to archive emails in Outlook, step by step, so your inbox stays clean, organized, and lightning fast. Let's jump right in. First things first, what does archiving mean? Archiving simply moves your emails out of your main inbox into a separate archive folder. They're not deleted, just neatly tucked away, ready whenever you need them. It's perfect for managing space and keeping your workflow smooth, especially if you handle tons of emails daily. Alright, step 1. Log in to Outlook. Open any browser and go to the official Microsoft Outlook website. If you can't find it, just Google Outlook Sign In. Once there, click Sign In and enter your email and password carefully. This takes you straight to your Outlook dashboard. Next, head to your mail inbox. This is your main hub where all incoming emails land. Now for the main part, archiving an email. Find an email you no longer need in your inbox but want to keep for later. Right click on it and from the menu, select Archive. And just like that, boom, it disappears from your inbox and moves safely into the archive folder. Want to archive a bunch at once? Hold the Control key and select multiple emails together, then right-click and hit Archive. It's a quick, powerful way to tidy up your inbox in seconds. To find your archived emails, just look at your folder list on the left side. Right alongside Sent Items, Drafts, and Trash, click Archive, and you'll see every email you've neatly stored away. And that's it. Your inbox is now clutter-free, but your important messages are still just one click away. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more quick productivity guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.